Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. Time for some cow crack. Yes, that's exactly what I said. This is a company called Cow Crack Wholesale. Yes, This is going to be a Sweet Sunday video, a bonus one for you guys. I know we don't normally do an unboxing on Sunday, but we know you miss us. And so after you're done watching the church service, you can come here, watch this unboxing, and we're going to find out what in the world is from Cow Crack Wholesale. All right, let's just start with the big box. What could it be? What could it be? Now, I did give you a little hint in the beginning of the video. We'll see if you caught it or not. Because I wanted to tell you that it is going to be a sweet Sunday.
Oh,
because we've got sweets.
Did you just hit your leg?
Yes.
Uh-oh.
All right, what do we got? Fancy Henny. So this is a gumball dispenser. Is it a chicken that poops gumballs?
It doesn't.
Oh,
it lays eggs. It lays eggs.
I mean,
Heather.
it is from Cow Crack, so I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, this is a candy company that I found actually while we were on vacation, and we went to some place called Sugar Kingdom, and I was asking them, "Hey, where do you get all your candy?" And they
shared with us this place.
shared me with this place, and yeah. I thought there was some clever different little candies. There you go. We now have chickens that lay candy eggs.
Gumballs.
Gumballs.
Yeah.
True.
All right, I wanted to pull this one out. This says Ghost Pepper Watermelon.
Oh, man.
Hard candy.
Look at that, Heather.
Ghost Pepper Watermelon Hard Candy.
Now, this is supposed to be like really legit stuff.
Like from Ghost Peppers, like spicy.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's Flamethrower Candy Company. That's what it says on the back. Okay,
this is going to be very hot.
This is going to be burn your face off.
Hey, look, St. Louis, Missouri.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's
30 minutes from where I am.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Burn your face off. Candy.
Yeah, you got to like hot stuff there, you know.
I know a couple of people that go to our church that I can guarantee you. So it looks like is it just watermelon? Yeah, it's all just watermelon.
Yeah, there's not many candies in it because it's so hot, but still.
This is the big spiral. They look like the spiral gumballs. Double Bubble is the brand, actually. Bubblegums. But they're little miniature versions. But you do hit the button and it spirals all the way down just like a little dispenser. What is this? Cinnamon Cube Pop. It's a lollipop, but it's cube shaped, see?
Yep. It's got that cinnamon flavor, almost like a Red Hot.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay, what's it? This is just filler? Oh no, there's stuff in here.
Is it really?
Yeah, I thought this was just a filler box.
That's what it looked like to me. Ooh. Okay.
Carolina Reaper.
This is Carolina Reaper. This is... it says it's the world's hottest pepper. I'm not 100% certain. It's whole dried and then sealed in this here. So...
I feel like even if I touched it... These are the ones, aren't they? If you touch your face, it makes your face burn?
Yeah, it has a warning label. This product's intended for adults only and should be kept out of reach of children and pets.
Because it could hurt you badly.
Well, it's just so hot.
Look at how many we have.
Got a bunch in the box there. Yeah. I thought somebody might like to give them a whirl. Yeah. Or use them in your chili,
that sounds terrifying.
like recipes and stuff like that.
That sounds terrifying.
We have a man in our church that won the chili cook-off. And so he grows his own peppers, but yeah.
Okay, I'm going to open this one because I want to see what it looks like.
Yeah.
This is called Aloha Candy. It's pineapple flavor. Ooh, that already sounds good. Look at.
Oh, that's nice. Is that a little tin?
It is a little tin. Pineapple flavored candies.
Nice.
So there's
it's probably all sealed in there, right?
Yeah, it is.
Is it actually
open one of them?
Pineapple flavor?
Because I would totally eat one of those.
If you want to open one, you go for it.
Yeah, I'm going to open one.
Pineapple flavor. Are they just like men's, I guess?
I don't know. That's why I want to open one. Because I'm curious. got a bunch of them in here, see?
Yeah, we do. Got a bunch.
Okay, but I'm going to open one. And see how sweet it is. We don't have the rights to that song.
We need to come up with our own song.
We did.
So that we have the rights for it.
We should. Oh yeah, they're like little... I would probably equate them to like Pez candies.
Yeah.
Is what the size of them
Little
remind me of.
mint-like Pez deals.
Let me, I want to taste one.
See if they taste like pineapple, maybe?
See if it tastes like pineapple. I do like that they're like double sealed like that. Alright. Here's one for you guys. Here you go. You can try that.
Okay, you guys ready? There you go.
Ooh. They're really good.
Really good? Do they actually taste like pineapple? They have a pineapple flavor.
Pineapple. But they're like, they remind me of something I'm trying to, it's not like a Pez. It tastes better than a Pez. There's another candy that's this consistent.
Like an Altoid?
Like a Smartie.
Like a Smartie.
Like a pineapple flavored Smartie. That's exactly what it tastes like.
Well, that'd be good.
Okay, I'm gonna eat these later. If I lose strength during this unboxing,
Here, would you like this one?
I will. If I lose strength during this unboxing, I will just turn around and eat some.
Wonderful.
All right, what is this?
How's your leg?
My knee hurts a lot.
Did you hit it on the end of the table? What'd you do?
No, I hit it on one of these black crates underneath the table.
Oh.
And I didn't know it was there, so I walked full force into it.
Ugh. What do we got here? Oh, I know what this is. That's exactly what it is, folks.
Anybody want a sucker? This is watermelon flavored.
It has a mealworm in the sucker.
Here's orange.
I ordered a bunch of different kinds of these. It's
blueberry.
And it is edible. You can actually eat it. There are people around the world that eat mealworms. It's not going to hurt you. But pretty wild.
Those are wild.
I thought people might like it as kind of a gag thing or something kind of crazy to try or something. So
there we go. Worms. We're selling worm suckers.
We're selling worm suckers now.
Worm suckers.
Know? Sometimes you got to sell a worm sucker.
Sometimes you do. Looks like we got... Oh man, what are these?
Oh boy.
Assorted chili licks. Is this a sucker too?
I think maybe. You have to open it and see.
Yep.
So
it's shaped like a chili. So this one is Chili Licks. This one just says Chili Licks Sucker.
Does it have the chilies in
that
it?
One is
or is
chili.
It the flavoring?
That one is chili. This one is habanero. This one says habanero.
Habanero. Okay.
This one is jalapeno. So one is just chili, one is habanero, and
probably the oil, maybe?
Maybe.
It's probably the flavoring of it.
Could be.
But cool. That'd be a little different.
Yeah, those are fun. Oh, speaking of Pez.
We got some Pez.
Got some Pez. Let's see what this is. I'm figure out. Do not open here. See side panel for instructions. You just pull it up, I think. There's like a cover on it. There. Okay. Pez's.
We got Pez.
Different kind of.
We got, what is this, flounder maybe? From Ariel?
Yeah.
And then...
from the guy from Sing. The gorilla from Sing. Oh, I am Groot.
I am Groot.
We got...
Animal Crossings guy.
It's just an assorted...
Yeah, it's a whole bunch of different kinds.
Who's this guy? Gabby's
white
Dollhouse.
cat. Some of these cartoons we don't know.
Random Burger.
There you go.
So fun little Pez's.
Yeah, some neat little Pez's. Cool.
Cool beans. Okay. So that was it in this box. We'll kind of do a scan over there and show you what all we got.
Nice. Gonna have to let us know which is your favorite candy.
That you want to try or see. Or
I'm gonna start trying to put more candies online.
And all these can be shipped right now, which is why we ordered these particular kinds. We will try to get into chocolate stuff when it gets cooler out, because we just don't have the ability with the margins to be able to do cooler packs.
We thought about making sundaes like sweet sundaes. Oh,
Skittles cotton candy, folks.
Skittles cotton candy.
Amy's over there going, what?
That's awesome.
Skittles cotton candy. Don't you have some birthdays coming up? So this whole box is Skittles cotton candy, but this is 2 boxes.
I wonder if it's been taped together for that reason.
I don't know. Let's see. We're just going to open the second box. Let me pull it off the top here. Okay, we got some. I want to eat this right now. It's going to be lunch. All right. Oh no, this is a different kind. I think it's cotton candy, but it's a different flavor. Starburst.
Starburst. There you go.
This is cherry and strawberry flavored. Does this say this is Brandis? Yeah, just all of the flavors of Skittles. So Starburst cotton candy and Skittles cotton candy.
So which one do you like more, Skittles or Starburst? Which one do you think you'd go with?
For me, I would totally go Skittles.
You'd go Skittles? James would go Starburst.
He would.
For sure.
But I'm going to finish eating all my pineapple Smarties.
Absolutely.
Basically, pineapple Smarties is exactly what
So let us know which is your favorite candy here that we've got here. And then we've got more candy coming to be able to open up for you guys later. And if you want to try some of the hot stuff, let's see, what do we have? These are the ghost peppers, would be the hot candies.
The Carolina Reaper.
And then,
this is a dried, whole dried Carolina Reaper.
Cool.
Yeah. Oh, and then we have all the Pez dispensers. So that was a lot of stuff in those 2 little boxes. So we're going to keep ordering from Cow Crack Wholesale, because that's fun to say. And we're going to get some more fun stuff. So if you guys are interested in any of this stuff, just leave in the comment section below what you're interested in. And we'll try to post a lot of it online, put some of it in the store, and maybe even some on the fire sales. So thanks so much for joining us for this Sweet Sunday unboxing. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.